Most people will have heard of a veneer. It's when you remove a minimal amount of the tooth tissue and then you glue on some porcelain or something similar to improve the appearance of the tooth. A laminate's the same, but generally you just take a little bit more of the tooth tissue away, probably over the edge, and there's sort of a boundary between them all. And a crown is when you take away all the tooth surface, about a third of it, and that actually then the tooth cements over the top. But now we've got adhesives, we don't need to take away as much of the tooth tissue, which is a good thing because removing a large amount of tooth tissue damages the nerve in about a third of the teeth. And generally it's been a two-stage procedure, and the aesthetics are really due to the skill of the technician, but we can now make them at the practice on our own in a single visit, and this is well worth looking into, as we can retain most of the tooth tissue and still have good aesthetics using these modern materials and techniques.